Welcome everyone, my name is Joelle and today we have a short hip flexor stretch yoga practice for which you don't need any props. So when you're ready, I'll meet you on the mat and we're going to begin lying on our backs. And you can pull the right knee in towards the chest, maybe holding it still or swaying it a little bit side to side. Just warming up the front of that right hip. And then to really activate that area, press the knee against the hands. So think about trying to escape from your hands, resisting the movement with your arms. So really using all of your strength here to press that knee away. And then release. Take a deep breath in. And exhale to pull the knee in even closer. So sometimes just with a little bit of activation, we may be able to find more space. Wonderful. Let's check things out on the second side, extending the right leg out, pulling the left knee in, and maybe just rocking it in and out a few times. Connecting with your deep waves of breath. Just encouraging a little bit of loosening up here. And releasing that swaying motion. Again, think about pressing the knee into the hands, resisting with the arms. Really pressing it away, feeling the strength, the activation in the front of the left hip this time. Press. And then release. Inhale. And exhale to encourage that knee to find a little bit more proximity to that left shoulder. And let's release. Rolling over to one side, coming through hands and knees. And just to bring a little bit more life into that area, let's take a couple of circles with the right hip. Just articulating through that joint. And then stepping the right foot forward into a low lunge. And maybe keeping fingertips to the mat here. Or you might bring the hands up onto that front knee. Think about engaging through the glutes of the back leg to sink the hips even further. So hip flexors often very tight for so many of us. We spend a lot of time sitting. And it's really worthwhile to spend a few minutes opening them up today. So let's inhale the arms up towards the sky. And then exhale, bring the right hand to the right knee, left fingertips back to the mat, and twist to look over the right shoulder. And then coming back through center, keep the right hand on the right knee, and start to take some big circles with the left arm. So still keeping the glutes nice and engaged, pressing the hips forward. Let's take one more big circle. Wonderful. And then tuck those back toes under and lift up once more, pressing the back heel away from you. One more breath here. And exhale. Lower the hands, lower the back knee. Back through hands and knees. Shake it out a little. And ready for that sequence on the other side. Beginning with a few hip circles. Just tracing with that left knee. And then left foot steps forwards. Maybe inching the back knee back. And staying here on fingertips. Or lifting up onto the front knee. Encouraging the hips forwards. And then inhaling up towards the sky. Extending through the fingertips, maybe giving them a little wiggle. A little bit of activation. And right hand returns to the mat. Left hand onto the left knee. And twist to look over that top shoulder. And coming back to center, leave the left hand where it is. And let's take 3 big sweeping circles with that right arm, maybe following the gaze, following the movement with your gaze, rather. And finishing up that last circle. And then tucking the back toes under, lifting the back knee, raising the arms. Inhaling here. And one more breath, stay with me. And then exhale, lowering the back knee. And coming to find a seat. We'll finish up with one more strengthening move here, placing the hands behind you and just walking in place with straight legs. You can flex the feet. See if you can lift a little bit higher each time with every step. Let's do one more on each side. Wonderful. And then you can find any seated position that may be your favorite for today. Swaying a little bit side to side, rolling the shoulders back. Take a moment to close the eyes. Maybe bringing the hands onto those hip flexors, onto the front of the thighs, maybe even giving them a little squeeze, a little bit of a release with your hands. And let's inhale the arms up towards the sky and exhale them down to heart center. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick hip flexor release. Please do make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that we can practice together again soon. And if you enjoyed this one, I always appreciate hitting the like button. I wish you a beautiful rest of your day, everyone, and see you soon.